Hello everyone, welcome to the TechNest CH channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on Twitter. If you want to update the email linked to your Twitter account, follow along. First, open the Twitter app on your mobile phone and tap on your profile picture at the top. Next, click on the arrow next to Settings and Support and select Settings and Privacy. At the top of the next screen, you'll see Your Account. Tap on it, then open Account Information. Here, you'll find the email option. Tap on it, and when prompted, enter your Twitter account password. After that, type in the new email address you want to use and press Next. Twitter will send a verification code to your new email address. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it into Twitter. Once you verify the code, your email address will be updated. You can use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other email for your Twitter account. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.